Come on, turn on.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 3:30 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.